Guys, welcome back to Tip Tuesday. My name is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. Thanks for joining us this week. A couple of weeks ago, we talked about interior railing options for staircases. This week, we're going to talk about the different stair options. And when I'm talking about stairs, I'm talking about the steps that go up and down from floor to floor, basically your stringers and treads. A couple of things before we talk about the different options. One is going to be that the staircase is going to be designed to meet local building code. There are certain requirements with regards to rise height and tread depth. Rise height is basically the dimension from the top of the tread to the top of the next one. And then your tread depth is the dimension from the outside face, the front face of that riser to the leading edge of that tread and that nosing. So there are certain requirements. So make sure that you are building to your local building code requirement. We will design the staircase in your home to meet local building code requirements, but make sure that that gets built accordingly. And different staircase options are going to be built a little different. They'll all be built to the same code, but the material will vary, as we can see in these photographs coming up. So the first option that you see here is a conventional application with just a conventionally framed stringer and tread, and then the stringer and tread is covered with a wood riser, which is this vertical piece, and then a wood tread, which is the horizontal piece that lays flat. That's what you step on going up and down the stairs. So that's a conventional application with just a wood rise and a wood tread. The next option is the same. As you can see here, they did a wood rise and a wood tread, but then they put a carpet runner. That just softens the staircase a little bit, softens everything going up from main floor to the upper level. So doing a carpet runner is another option. Then you get into some of your options with regards to half round treads and round stringers. So the stringer is the portion that the tread sits on. This is an image from a staircase company in Colorado called Stair Collection. They do beautiful work, and you can buy these kits if you're looking for kind of a half round option and a round stringer. That's certainly an option that you can do. And then you get into spirals. This is another image from Stairmeister Collection. This is the newel post, and these treads are notched and mortised into the newel post. With regards to spiral staircases, just make sure you're checking local building code with regards to compliance with a spiral staircase going up to a second floor. And that is something that we'll talk about in the design with regards to spiral staircases and them meeting building code requirements. Then another option is what most of our clients will do is a heavy timber staircase option. This is a product that we provide, which is a heavy timber stringer, a heavy timber tread. It's a rectangular and square stock. Typically, the stringer is a 6x12. The tread is a 6x12. We can do any dimension or any size. You would have a riser spacing in between. That has to be a certain dimension for local building code as well. But this is certainly an option. We typically provide the material. Then your contractor will do the installation out in the field and cut it all out in the field. We always typically recommend to do the installation of this towards the end of the project. You don't want subcontractors using a finished staircase like this to carry materials up and to carry equipment up for building during the building process. So make sure this gets built towards the end. If you do build it in the beginning, make sure it gets covered because you want to protect this finished product throughout the construction process. So heavy timber is another option that we provide a lot of, that a lot of our clients will do. And another heavy timber option with a timber stringer, a timber tread. As you can see, this one is notched into the inside of the stringer. You can also shiplap, which is basically notching the top of the stringer and setting the tread down on top of the stringer itself. And then you can see the different railing options. So heavy timber stringers and treads are a really popular option that a lot of our clients will do as well. So those are just some of the options, the more popular options with regards to conventional applications, spirals, half round, log treads, and then heavy timber, stair, and stringer options. So hopefully this has been helpful. If you have questions about the stair design or what options are best suited for you, please feel free to call your sales consultant anytime. Feel free to call our office anytime. So hopefully this has been helpful. We look forward to you joining us next week for more Tip Tuesday. Until then, stay safe and healthy and take care as always.